Yo guys, what is up? And today we are back with another video, and this is part 2 of the trombone series. There's only going to be 2 trombone videos. Comment down below if you guys want more. But today I'm going to, since I'm not that big of a so I can't do my videos as long as I have to do part 2. So, as you saw, I was rushing, so this time I'm going to actually show you. So, as you see right here, the window, and then, as you can see, the mouthpiece goes on. Let me lock this. Now, I know, you guys are like, oh my god, Jake, you're not doing it. You're not being careful, but I am. But, you see the window right here? That's what I call it, the window. And so you put your hand like that. Well, first you put your thumb where this bar is. You can do it wherever you can reach. I curve my thing so I can reach. Some people can put their pinky on top of the bar for the window, the top one. But I don't do that. I can put my whole entire thing, so I don't do that. And so then I put those there. And then with my pointer finger, middle finger, and thumb, pinch those together. Then where the bottom one is, on the bottom bar for the slide, I put my pointer finger, my thumb, and my middle finger there. And then if I'm gonna blow, I have to do this. I have to do this if I'm gonna blow. I don't know if you can understand. Through this. Through that. Okay. So, I don't know why. I don't know if you can hear this. Okay, I don't know. I'm just mapping everything goes on. This thing. Is that the shiniest? Actually, it kind of is because of the light. Alright, but I pinch that. I put my thumb here. I put my fingers under here. Then I put that on my shoulder. Bring it up. Now I put my mouth on there. And I'm not going to talk the best. I don't know if you guys can understand, so I'll be a little close. Not when I'm playing. Okay. And then I go and buzz, and this is what it'll sound like. It's not going to be the best thing. I don't have my notebook. It's not going to be the best thing. But, not my notebook, but like my music book with all the songs. I don't have it right now. I already have it, but just don't have it with me right now. I'll just do something. I don't think I can do the want. I can try to do the starting of a movie or the Star Wars theme song. I don't think I can do it on a trombone, but I'll try. Alright. Alright. Let's go. Yeah, that's terrible. I can't do the dun 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 dun. I'll try it again without sliding now. Now with sliding, it's not going to do anything. Since I don't know any real songs, I don't know what the point of sliding is. Of course I do, but not right now. But for me, it doesn't sound like anything. I don't know if either this is just broken or just doesn't want to stay. No, it's just very slippery. Die. No, that's terrible. I don't know that one. I just didn't do anything. Ho ho. Truck noise. Truck horn. Wait, hold on. Actually, that's a train. Now, car horn. Nah, it's not really a car horn. Plane going up or down? We'll see. Yep, plane going down. Now plane going up. Alright, well, that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Make sure to share with friends, family, and yeah, hopefully I taught you things about trombone if you didn't know. Oh, by the way, if you want to get better, you need to try not to puff your cheeks. I do that a lot, but practice like that. I don't know. I just practice by making car noises. I'm terrible at them, but sometimes I just do that. And goodbye. And goodbye. 3, 2, 1.